Yeah! Yeah, no! Yeah!
Oh, hey! Don't hit my TV!
It's silly.
You gotta keep it in the thing.
Ricky playing tennis
Yeah,
on the
you're
Wii.
supposed to keep it in there. But it's hard. Crap.
I love how he goes from all excited to casual. Oh, he had to back up.
Look how much better you're doing now, baby.
Oh.
He doesn't like it though.
When you have to backhand, crap.
I'm gonna laugh even harder when he falls.
Yeah! Yeah!
It's not good when it's out.
Oh.
I think I had about 20
I
of
want
them.
to see him fall before the last couple. Ricky, try to make yourself fall.
How much better you're doing now?
When you don't even try real hard.
Ricky, go crazy. You got two more.
Remember that.
That was gay.
What is that?